Good morning, Ryker fans. I got 2 sets of tools I've been using so far on all my mods, and they've been working just fine. And I didn't spend no more than $20 on them. And one of them is a 20-piece standard and metric ratchet set. Got it at Walmart. Another one is a 65-piece screwdriver set, and it includes the torque tips. For example, it has the T10, the 15, 20, 25, 27, 30, 35, and 40. Everything you need for the Ryker. And this was also 10 bucks. So for $20, I'm able to do all my mods and my videos. And I haven't used anything else. And I've already done replaced the headlights with the halogen LEDs from slingmods. I installed the A-arm protectors from slingmods. I installed the canam filter, which you don't need no tool for that. The parking lever, as you saw in the video, as well as the shifting gear, all with these parts, all with these tool sets. So, and there's more coming. Other than that, Ryker fans, I'll talk to you later.